Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be using synthetic division to divide these two given polynomials. And one more thing, keep in your mind that our divisor is a trinomial. And one more thing, as far as synthetic division is concerned, this is just an alternative way to a long division. In this step, we want to make sure that the leading coefficient of our divisor is 1. And you can see that indeed this is 1. That means we are in good shape. Now let's get started with our synthetic division. I have already put down these coefficients of this dividend, which are what? 1, -3, 5, and -7. Now I want you to focus on the divisor. Look at this number, which is what? -1. The opposite sign of -1 is +1. So I want to put down +1 right up here in the top box. Now I want you to focus on this number, the coefficient of x, which is +2. The opposite sign of +2 is -2. So -2 is going to go right up here in the second box. So now let's proceed with our synthetic division. This one, I want you to bring it down all the way over here as it is. 1 is over here. Likewise, this -3, bring it down over here. This becomes -3 as it is. Now the next thing, I want you to go ahead and multiply this. -2 times 1 is -2, and likewise I want you to multiply this. 1 times 1 is simply 1 right up here. Let's simplify these one. -3 and -2 makes -5, and 5 and 1 makes 6. Now let's repeat the same process all over again. -2 times -5, that's gonna give you +10. That should be in the same box. And 1 times -5 is going to give us -5 right up here. So now I want you to add these ones. 6 and 10 makes 16 right up here, and -7 and -5 gives us -12. Bring this -12 down over here, right up here. So now what we got these numbers, whatever these one on the right hand side, these are our remainders, and over here these are our gonna be quotient. So this one is gonna be with x, and this is without x, which is called constant. And likewise over here on this side, this is gonna be with x, and this is constant without x. That's gonna be our remainder. So we can write as what? 16x minus 12 is your remainder. Just keep in your mind. And our quotient is going to be how much over here? 1x minus 5. Thus our complete answer is going to be simply, I'm going to put down x minus 5 with the remainder. How much? The remainder is going to be 16x minus 12. That is our answer. And also we can write our answer in this form as well, as you can see over here. So you can write in either way. This way and this way. Either way is fine. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel for more exciting video lessons.